Hi friends, welcome to week 15 of distance learning, or I guess of school, not of distance learning, but of school as a whole. It is your winter break here coming up, so we are so close. 3 more days, you can do it, we can get through it, and then you will have a nice long break to relax, okay? So looking at Monday today, we are doing an Edpuzzle today. So this is a Story of Us Edpuzzle. We've done these before. It's called Division, so it's looking at the clear division between the North and the South in our history right now, and what the North wants versus what the South wants as far as slavery goes and all those other types of things. So that Edpuzzle is here in Schoology. On Tuesday and Wednesday, we are going to do Cornell Notes. Tuesday, we're going to focus specifically on the South. Wednesday, we're going to focus specifically on the North. Or sorry, opposite of that. My bad. Tuesday, we're going to focus on the North. Wednesday, we're going to focus on the South. I left paper copies of these Cornell Notes in our front entryway at school for each of you. I put your name on them. If you prefer paper copies, you can come here on Monday or before Monday and grab those, okay? I will also have digital versions for it in Schoology, but I know a lot of us think it's better to do notes on paper, so that is an option for you. Sometimes it's easier to just write versus trying to figure out the technology piece. So if you prefer paper copies, grab those from school, okay? They're on the 7th grade table in the front entryway. You'll see there's like a red sign that says Miss McAlpine, and then all of the note packets are there with each of your names on them, okay? The other thing, when we do notes this week, I am going to give you the option to work on them with other people. So like, let's say you want to work on them with your 2 friends. All you have to do is fill out this Google form before Tuesday, okay? So on Monday, fill it out. These are the people that I want to work with, and then you'll all join my Google Meet on Tuesday, and I'll put you in your own breakout room so you can do the reading and do the notes together on your own, okay? But then it's kind of nice because you can help each other, and even though you're still in a virtual setting, it's a little bit more fun because you don't have to do everything solo by yourself. So you don't have to work with other people. It's totally an option for you, but if you would like to, just click this and fill out the Google form. And then I will make the groups when everyone joins on Tuesday. Same thing for Wednesday. If you prefer to work in groups, you only have to fill this out once. You don't have to fill it out twice, and I'll use the same groups for both days. Okay, just make sure if you put like a friend or something on there, that they also join the meeting. Otherwise, if they don't, then you're just going to be in a room by yourself. Okay, so I can make as many rooms as we need. If you want to work with 1 other person or 3 other people, that's totally fine. Just communicate with your peers, whoever you want to work with, so they know, oh, I'm going to work with so-and-so also. And then I'll put you in those groups so you can be in a breakout room and you can do the reading and the notes together. So I think that might be a little bit more fun, just kind of switching up our notes a little bit so you have that option. So if you want to do notes by yourself, totally fine. And I'll explain this on Monday too when I see you at our Google Meet. All right, so digital copy of notes are in here if you did not pick yours up at school. But it's an option for you to run to school and grab those if you prefer a written copy. Otherwise, I will see everyone at our Monday Google Meet at 7:30. Have a great day.